Good afternoon, everyone. My topic is to resident to do surgery from second year. Myself, Dr. Gautam. What is ophthalmology? Ophthalmology is the study of medical conditions relating to the eyes, and an ophthalmologist is a medical doctor specializes in diagnosing and treating the eye-related conditions. To practice in India, ophthalmologists must complete 4.5 years of the graduate medical degree, 2 years of postgraduate diploma, and 36 months of junior residency of MDMS. Ophthalmic residents should learn theory, clinical examination, diagnosis, refraction, instrument handling, and surgery in this period. So, learning the clinical diagnosis is the soul of ophthalmic practice. Refraction and learning of instrument handling are as important as surgery. Learning the interpretations of gonioscopy, HFA printout, OCT printout, UBM, B scan, slit lamp biomicroscopy, direct and indirect ophthalmoscopy is must. And refraction and retinoscopy is an art, and it must be learned by all the residents. It should be under supervision of senior teachers. And ophthalmologist has to perform the extremely intricate surgery on delicate part of the eye. So it is similar. It is not similar to the general surgery. We know it is mostly microscopic surgery, and residents should learn to operate on microscope, knowing their own IPDs, and he should learn hand-eye coordinations. And these are the various surgery on which a resident should perform. Now, after watching the overview of the syllabus of resident, now planning for teaching become easy. In first year, residents should learn instrument handling, learn gonioscopy, HFA, B scan, A scan, UBM, indirect ophthalmoscopy, slit lamp biomicroscopy, retinoscopy, and refractions. And, in my view, first year residents should learn instrument handling. So before doing surgical practice on human eye, bat lab training for being familiar for surgical techniques, hand-eye coordination under microscope, learn scrub protocol. So my view, junior resident should learn all these in first year of residency. And from second year, a step-by-step training module on human eye can be started. And there is some journal review. One journal review is Indian Journal of Ophthalmology, published in 2014. Feedback of final year ophthalmology postgraduate about their residency ophthalmology training in South India. This study was done by the KJ and R. Krishna Prasad sir. And aim of this study was to study documents a survey of final year ophthalmology postgraduate student on the subject of their residency training. And there is some questionnaires used in the article, which is the best method to learn ophthalmology resident doctors, perspective of ophthalmologic training, published in IGO volume 5. And results were the most students desired an orientation program of interning residency and wished to undergo diagnostic training initially, and case presentation with the demonstration and wet lab learning were most preferred. There is some another study also, and one study is published in 2008 in IGO, which is the best method to learn ophthalmology resident doctor perspective of ophthalmologic training. This is a study done by the Prakshit Gogte sir, Madan Deshpande, and Sital. And result was the most student wanted basic ophthalmology and refraction to be taught more with emphasis on squint and neuro-ophthalmology. They wanted more hands-on training, experience in using basic diagnostic procedure. Thank you very much.